Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page. The puzzle page of Saturday, May the 6th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle. The Sudoku with 2 stars. Yeah, the 2 stars puzzle. We have here in this puzzle page the 3-star Sudoku. But I will continue in a minute with this Killer Sudoku. We have here two binaries, 10 by 10, and the tectonic here. I will solve the Killer Sudoku now. Yeah, that's my second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Killer Sudoku. Yeah, Killer Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me see which number it will be. 6392. Yeah, 6392. And we have here two given numbers. Only two given numbers here. 2 and a 6. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Penta box. Yeah, penta. Well. So for a Killer Sudoku, I need average time 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. We'll see if this is 3 stars Killer Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for big squares. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. So these 4 big squares has only 1 sharing box with another big square. And what you need to know is the total sum. The total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row, this row is completed. If you count all these numbers, you will get 45, the total sum. The total sum of a column is always 45. Alright, so let's get started. 13 plus 21 is 34, plus 4 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 7 plus 4. Now we have 2. Okay, let me go to this big square. 10 plus 13 is 23, plus 5 is 28. 28 plus 9 is 37. 37, so 45 minus 37 is an 8. In the box of 10, the combination will be 2 plus 8 is 10. Now, in this big square, we have 1 sharing box. Count all these numbers. I will know what number this will be. Alright, 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 15 is 25, plus 2 is 27, plus 9, 27 plus 9 is 36. 36, that means 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 16, the combination will be 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Alright. Let's go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 16 plus 5 is 21, plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 5, the combination will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We go to this big square. Alright, 17 plus 14 is 31. 31 plus 12 is 43. 43, so 45 minus 43 is 45 minus 43 is 2. Yeah. In the box of 6, the combination here will be 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now, in this big square, we have one sharing box. Count all these numbers. I will know what number this will be. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 17 is 24. 24 plus 12. Oh, wait. Here, 8 plus 12 is 20. 24 plus 20. 24 plus 20 is 44. Well, this box should be a 1 then. Yeah, 45 minus 44 is a 1. In the box of 5, the combination will be 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. All right. Okay. Now, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 4. Only one combination for the box of 4. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Here, let me see. The box of 17, only one combination. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Box of 4 again. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Box of 17. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Well, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. This is a triple box of 17, so I cannot use only with 2 numbers. Alright. And now, we can look for, the next strategy is to look for boxes with only 2 combinations. For example, the box of 6, there's only 2 combinations for the box of 6. 2 plus 4 and 1 plus 5. Well, the 2 and the 4 is already used. So the 1 and the 5 should be here. And then 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. So now we have 2 boxes in this big square. Box of 15 and box of 9. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. The 9 is already used here. So the 8 and the 7 are left. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. One numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there in the box of 8. The combination here will be 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are left. 8 and the 9. Well, 8 and the 9. If I, yeah. Well, I need to wait here. I need more information. How about this box of 7? I've already a 1 here, so 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Well, now 8 and a 9. If I place the 9 here, then combination will be 9 plus 6. Okay, if I place the 8 here, then the combination will be 8 plus 7. And the 7 is already used in this row. So I cannot place the 7 here. The 8 here. So the 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. So the combination here will be 9 plus 6. Correct. Here in the box of 13, the combination will be 8 plus 5. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the master 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those. Also 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. This penta box, we have 5 plus 2, 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus 1 is equal to 17. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 7 are missing. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, and now. Let me think. 8, 8. Yeah, need a 1 here. 1 and a 9, okay. Need a 9 here. Let me think. 6. Yeah, can I 6? Could be 6. 6 and a 3. Well. One of the missing number in this big square. We have 8 missing numbers. One of the missing number here is the number 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in that box. And I cannot place the 6 in a box of 5, of course, otherwise I need minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 6 could be here, or there. Here, or there. If I place the 6 in the box of 9, then the combination will be 6 plus 3. And look, we have a 3 already used in the third row. So here can also not be a 6. The only place left for the 6 in this big square should be there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Well, 8 plus in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. If I place the 8 here in the triple box of 13, then 8 plus 6 is already 14. And we need 13, so cannot be here, the 8. 8 should be definitely there. Alright, in this triple box of 21, those 2 boxes together should be 13. 13. And these 2 boxes together in this triple box of 13 should be a 7 then. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Alright. Okay. One of the missing number in this row, first row, is number 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 5, of course, otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the only place left for the 5 in the first row should be there. And these 2 boxes together should be a 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Alright. 2 in this row, third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. If I place the 2 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 2 plus 8. But the 8 is already used in the first row, so I cannot place the 2 in the box of 10. The 2 should be in the box of 5. Here the combination will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1 is missing 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes and there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing 4 and a 5. 4 and 5 are missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. In the box of 12, the combination will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. So the 6 should be in the box of 9. Combination will be 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be in the box of 5. The combination here will be 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a 1 now in the third column. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3 and a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 9 and 8. We have 8 now in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 7 and 2, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 9 and 7, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One is 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Okay, 2 and 8. We have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes in there. Then. Let me see. 7, 5. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in, and 9 goes there. In the triple box of 14, the combination will be 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 4 and 7. We have a 7 now in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the last column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.